Hi, today we're going to show you the result from question design of module 3, which is PIC input and output interfacing using the 7 segment and keypad. So, we write the C program in the MPLAB to fulfill the design question. So, here is our C program in the MPLAB. This is what we define, and also this is the whole program that we compile in the MPLAB. Okay. And now I'm gonna demonstrate to you guys for the first condition. So I press the odd number here on the keypad. The 7th segment will display the odd value that I pressed. So we try another odd number, which is 3. So it will display on the 7th segment. Is 7, 9. Okay. For the second condition, I'm going to press the even number on the keypad. So the even number is 2. So the 7th segment display will be turned off or not display anything. So we try for another even number 4. Okay. There's 7th segment display will not show anything. Okay. Lastly, if I press the other key which is other than the odd number and the even number, the 7th segment display will count up from 0 to 9. So we try to press A. Okay. So I can see that these results are successfully answered the design question from the Lab 3 module. So that's all from me. Thank you.